Hello everyone, welcome back to IP4. Let me share my slides with you. Just a moment. All right. So today we are continuing talking about QR code and Microsoft Word. So as you know already, I am teacher Amir and I will be teaching you about technology. This is our third lesson, so let's get into it. So let's talk about creating a picture dictionary. How to create a picture dictionary? Search for information. That's your first step. So let me revise and review for you if you don't know already. Parts of a browser, okay? Because you will need your browser to do search. Address bar. It is the place that you can type the name of the website or the website address, okay? So which one was it? Do you remember that? It was right on the top, okay? That's your address bar. That's where you can search and type what you are looking for. Next one is the back and forward button. It helps you go front and back, go to the next page and the back. So this was your front and back, okay? Do you remember these? So you need all this to continue searching for your information. Next, we have search bar. It's similar or like the address bar. It will take you to many pages. So if you have this page, this would be your search bar. So you can search your information in there. So if you search whatever you like, Google or cats or whatever, it will take you to a page like this with many options to choose from. Next, we have the refresh button. So when you're searching, if you have any problems, you can use this to refresh or reload your page. So if it hangs or crashes, by clicking this, it might help. So that would be right there on the right, okay? So it would look like this, like a small circle with an arrow on the top. Next, we got the tabs. So it lets you switch websites and have them open at the same time. So right here, I have my email address and my e-learning open, two different tabs at the same time. Actually many, but yeah, each of them are open. Next, we are talking about minimize. Goes down to the taskbar. So if you click this right here, minimize. So this is minimize. Clicking that would make your screen disappear and you will see the desktop most of the time. Next, we got maximize. It's when you click it and you have a small screen, a small browser open, and you can maximize it to get it at full screen. So this square would be the button to click to get the maximum size. Next, we are talking about the close button. How to close everything by clicking the small X on the right top corner. All right, let's watch this video together to understand more how to save images and save on a folder. So you can save the pictures for your Pictionary. Okay, so let's start watching it. I'm using a Mac right now, all right? So maybe it looks different from yours, but it's about the same. So this is a iOS program and you might have Windows or iOS, but it's about the same, all right? So you open your Google Chrome. So here, your Google Chrome or whatever browser or search engine you use. Like if you use Safari, you can open Safari. So I'll open the Google Chrome right now. So once you open it, you open Google Chrome, right? And just here or down here, you can search what you are looking for. So let's search for like apple, the fruit, and this is what you get, right? So if you want to download the picture, you just come here to images and choose any picture you want. So before you download it, you should put it on a folder on your desktop. So you click new folder. Once you get your folder here, this is your folder. Again, maybe it's different on Windows, but it's quite similar. So you click right and you get this tab like this drop, and then you just click new folder. And once you click new folder, you get this new folder. And you can name the folder as you want. So I can name it pictures. You can name it whatever you like. I call it pictures, and here's the folder, right? Let's go back to Google Chrome. You choose any picture you like. Let's choose the first one, and you click right again on it, and you can save or download image. Save or download. You click it, and you can save it where you want. Let's go to desktop. Let's choose pictures, the folder that I already opened, and you choose what file you want, and you just click save. That's all. And you come to your desktop, to your folder here, and you can click it, and you'll see your picture. So you have to save all your pictures from A to the last alphabet, all right? So let me show you one more. You choose the words that you like, but you have to follow it, all right? So next is B. Let's try ball. Let me delete the fruit. Let's try ball. So we have many different balls. So you choose which ball you like. You choose it. You click right. You save the image as, all right? And just click save. And here we have it. So all you need to do is just choose all the alphabets, the words you want, and you search it and download it from the internet. All right, that's it. Okay, let's continue. Only most important keywords should be used. So hold on, let me. Okay, let's continue sharing the PowerPoint. Okay. Okay. So only most important keywords should be used. So a good search would be water, human body, right? A bad search would be what percentage of the human body is water. So you have to choose only important keywords. So such as human, body, and water. If you want, you can add percentage to it also. Next, we got tools. Let's review the tools that you can use. By using the search tool, you customize the search and you will get a better outcome or a better result. For example, let's say we are talking about cats and we search cats on Google. You go to the images right here. You click on that And then once you click on it, you can see the tool button right here. So you click tools. Once you click tools, you will get the option size, color, type, time, and usage rights right here. All right. So once you get that, we can watch this together on how you can use such a thing. And let's start.
Okay, so let's try this. So in Google, we search coffee. And once we search coffee, we're on images. All right, let's go to tools and let's try to use our tools and see what happens. So size, you can choose the size on how you want it. Do you want large size? It will have a better quality picture. The picture quality will be good. All right, so you can download it. Next, let's try medium. Medium will be just a bit lower quality. And let's try icon. And for icon, this would be your results. You see, mostly you get icon symbols for you that you can use. Next, let's go back to large, all right? Or any size. Next, let's try tools again, and then let's try color. We can choose the color. Now it's on any color, and then we can choose black and white. This is what you get for black and white. Transparent. Transparent, you will get transparent background. So you see, there's nothing on the back, so you can use it in your PowerPoint so it would look better. Next, let's try some other colors. Let's try some red. So it helps to look for that specific color in your picture. Yellow. You see, the background is yellow, or the cup, the mug is yellow. So these are the differences, all right? Let's try type. What happens if we use type? So you can choose clip art, that this would be your result. You can use line drawing. You can use GIF, which is moving picture. See, you can see the heat coming out of the cup, or some movement, or some small icons. And then you can choose time. When was this picture posted? Past 24 hours or past year? This is the usage about copyright, and this is just clear to go back to the normal one. All right.
Okay, let's continue. So, project. What would be your project to do? You have to do a picture dictionary book. All right, so you, as I told you last time, you should make the word and QR code. Then it will guide us to more pictures of the activity and some explanation. So you have to explain also. Choose the vocabulary from A to Z or A to Z, and for each alphabet, at least one picture. So, for example, S. S like spaghetti. This is our QR code, and you can scan it. And then once you scan it, you will get a recipe. The recipe is this. This is the picture, and this is the recipe, what you have to put in it. All right. So picture and some explanation. You can explain what is spaghetti. You can, this is just example. You don't have to do exactly like this, all right? But for example, this is the sample for you, okay? So spaghetti, QR code, picture of it, and some explanation. So after I scan, I should be able to see this, the picture, the name, and what's in a spaghetti or what is a spaghetti, where is it from, and you can write something for it. So the steps that you can take to do this. First step is to choose your vocabulary from A to Z. So you can decide for each one. For example, A, you will choose what? B, C, D, and so on. All right. So for example, maybe for for A, you will choose apple. For B, you will choose ball. For C, you will choose cat. For D, you will choose dog. All right. So for each letter, you have to choose a word in English. Second step, find information and definitions. So find the information and explanation of each word that you chose from step 1. So for example, if you chose apple, you can give some information about apple. You have to find the information by searching on Google. So you can search apple and see what they write. Or you can search apple definition, apple the fruit. What is apple good for? How is apple eaten? Do I need to take the skin off or not? You can give a paragraph, maybe 3 to 4 sentences to explain that vocabulary. Step 3, put your files together as a Word file, Microsoft Word, all right? So you have to type and attach all the pictures. Create a QR code for each page. So for each vocabulary that you chose, you have to choose you have to generate the QR code as I mentioned before, all right? So from A to Z, at least one word for each alphabet. Use your PowerPoint to present. Last step is using PowerPoint to present your work. So spaghetti, QR code, scan, recipe, and picture and explanation. So alphabet order. This is the alphabet order. I hope you already know what is the alphabet order and how to do it and how many there are. This is the videos that you need to watch. I will post it for you on e-learning platform. So please do watch the videos for me. And your homework. So your homework is to start the Project Picture Dictionary book. So I want you to start searching. So I want you to start step 1 and step 2. So choose your vocabulary from A to Z and find information and definition of each vocabulary. So you have to save the information and the pictures as the video I already showed you in the previous slides. So that's how you save your pictures on a folder, and please save the information as well so you can use it in the future. So for this class, for this week, only you don't need to do all 5 steps. You just do step 1 and 2. So for step 1 and step 2, you have to choose the vocabulary and find the information. So the due date for step 1 and step 2 is on Thursday, 8th of July. So don't forget, please send it to me before Thursday, 8th of July. This is your last day to send the work for step 1 and step 2 only. Step 3 to 5, it will be in the future classes. I will explain more about those steps. For today, you just continue doing step 1 and step 2 and start searching. So get into it. That's all for today. Thank you, everyone. I wish you good luck on your project and hopefully see you soon back in classes. But for now, stay safe and enjoy your week. And let me All right, that's all. So thank you for joining our class. See you next week. See you later. Bye. Bye-bye.